Friends, welcome back to my review channel. Sometimes in Uzbek Sahir, love does not appear through soft words. Sometimes love appears through anger, jealousy, silence, and fear. Latest episode proves this clearly with Alia and Sihan. Sihan's reaction to Angans is not calm. Her becomes anger because Angan is getting too close to Alia. But if we look deeper, this anger is not empty. Sihan is afraid he has already lost peace in his life, and now he feels that Alia may again slip away from him. Alia, however, does not want to be treated like someone who cannot make decisions. She has fought too many battles to allow anyone to decide her path. Even if Sihan's intention is protection, his way of showing it makes Alia resist him. This is the tragedy of their relationship. Sihan protects with control. Alia protects herself with distance. Both love each other, but both hurt each other through the way they defend their hearts. Angan's presence becomes a mirror of them. It exposes everything they are hiding. Sihan's jealousy shows that he still cannot bear the idea of Alia being close to another man. Alia's reaction shows that she still cares about Sihan's word, even when she argues with him. If Alia truly felt nothing, Sihan's anger would not affect her. If Sihan truly moved on, Angan's presence would not break him. Their pain is proof that their love is still alive. But love alone will not save them, trust must return. This episode places Alia and Danish in danger at Angan's event. That danger may become the moment where all arguments stop. When a child's safety is at risk, pride disappears. Sihan may forget anger, Alia may forget resistance, and both may remember what truly matters. Viewers, if you like my video, then subscribe my channel for more updates.